In this video, I will show you how to analyze headlines in Semrush. First, log into your Semrush account. Now, go to the left side and hover over the SEO dashboard. When the pop-up appears, scroll down and select SEO Writing Assistant. You will then be redirected to the SEO Writing Assistant board. Here on the left side, you will see a text box where you can type or paste your content. On the right side, you will find a panel of tools that help you calibrate your assistant based on your preferences, such as tone, keywords, readability, and SEO score. Let's try typing something in the text box. For example, a short article headline or paragraph. Next, on the keywords section, enter one or two keywords that you would like to optimize for. Once you do that, Semrush will automatically start analyzing your text and show you important metrics such as readability, SEO score, tone of voice, and originality. At the bottom of the panel, you will also see a list of issues or suggestions that the system found. This could be about keyword usage, sentence length, or content tone. If you want to take it a step further, look for the topic research suggestion underneath the issue list. Here, simply click on the Get Ideas button and Semrush will automatically generate headline ideas, subtopics, and keyword clusters based on your input. And that's how to analyze headlines in Semrush.